take my hand, I want you to be my.
Guys, oh my god, guess who just bought another shoe? God, I just ordered another shoe right now. I ordered another shoe. I was just going through the Zara website, and I saw this transparent, this clear heel. I don't have any clear heel. I don't. So I was like, almost, let me just buy this shoe and just rest. You know that feeling, like when you want to buy something, when you put your mind to it, it keeps coming to your mind, and you keep avoiding it. But after some time, you're like, I hate these horns because it really disturbs my video. I live very close to the road, not even very close to the road though. Not even very close to the road. Like, there are so many buildings before you even get to the road. But almost the horn sounds, they keep disturbing me and disturbing my video. If you're not here, you really think, oh, is this girl close to the road or something? And it's really annoying, honestly. So yeah, as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by those horns. Jeez, I ordered, God, I don't even know where I was again. Okay, I ordered a shoe from Zara. I just ordered this right now. I'm just done with that. And yeah, I can't wait to see it. I keep buying shoes. I don't know, I think I need to stop because it's becoming too much. Like, I've been buying a lot of shoes. Oh God. I think I really need to stop. I've been buying a lot of shoes, and I have a lot of black shoes. Looking at my wardrobe right now, I can see a lot of black shoes, and I'm trying my best to like start buying colors. Like, I don't know, black is my favorite color, and it's very, I don't know. No matter how hard I try to buy colors, I don't know, I just can't. I like black and I like red. These two colors are the colors I like, and maybe I can do with white. Yeah, I think I'm also okay with white, but you see, black, red, those are my favorite colors. So right now, looking at my wardrobe, I can see a lot of black shoes. So I'm just trying my best to like mix it up with colors. So that's what I'm doing right now, trying to buy like colored heels. Sorry. Yeah, and maybe I would switch up some things when it comes to clothes to like buy some colors, because a lot of black in this wardrobe, like, is too much, guys. It's too much, and I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, honestly. I love black, and that's it. So let's go back to the shoe talk now. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I've tried to buy luxury shoes, and I've been buying luxury shoes. When I mean luxury shoes, I don't mean like big luxury brand, like brands like Zara, Misguided, Pretty Little Things, and what's it called again? Steve Madden. Yes, guys, I ordered a Steve Madden shoe. I don't know. It has not arrived yet. Once it arrives, I'm going to show you guys in any of my vlogs, my videos. I ordered that shoe, guys, and that shoe is very fine. Guys, I saw it and I was like, no. I told my personal shopper, because there's this personal shopper where I buy all these shoes from. I told her, no. I need this, please. I need it. How many days is it going to take? And she was like 7 to 14 days, and I was like, okay, then fine. I paid for it, and it has not yet arrived. It will soon be here, guys. That shoe is a gold sandal heels. It is very fine. It's beautiful, guys. Like, I can't wait for that shoe to arrive. Maybe it's going to arrive even before I post this video, maybe or maybe not. But if it does, then fine. If it doesn't, fine. But here we go again, the horns. So guys, uh, I think I'm into shoes now. I think I'm loving shoes now. Like the shoes I want to get are red bottoms. That's by Louis Vuitton. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah, I want to get that, and that costs a huge amount of money. Like even in dollars, guys. Like I think I'll get that. Maybe when I buy that shoe, I'll then stop buying shoes. Another thing is that I don't know if I should buy it or if I should just wait. No, let me not spill too much. There's something that might soon happen, but I don't want to spill too much. I like waiting for things to happen before I say them. So yeah, I have that in mind, that particular brand, and I also have this shoes by Rene Calvilla. Did I get it right? These chandelier heels. I want to get that one. That one I've spoken to my personal shopper about it, and I think I'll get that one. That one is also very expensive. Mm, and yeah, I think there are so many shoes I would like to get. So many shoes. Like looking at the Zara website too, there are shoes. Like this one I ordered. This one is okay, but it's worth it. Anything you're going to do or anything you're going to buy, just make sure it's worth it. Just make sure it's going to serve you for a very long time. Like before I buy shoes or clothes, whatever, I just make sure it's going to be useful in the nearest future, like, and it's going to serve me very, very well. I don't just buy anything that just comes to my mind or anything I see. And talking about shoes, I think I have to stop buying shoes for now. Yes, I need to just stop because I've been buying a lot of shoes. And I think I'm just going to take my mother's advice, which is buy what you need and not just what you want. Okay? So I think I'll be doing that because I've been buying a lot of things I just want and not what I need. But after buying some few like colors in sorry for my shoe collection, I think I'm going to stop. So right now I have another shoe coming on the way, the Stigmaden shoes I ordered, and I just ordered a Zara Clear Veneer or whatever heel. And yeah, I think that's it. Did I order any other shoe? I don't think I ordered any other shoe. I'm going to check my account to know if I'm doing the right thing, because that's another thing you need to look forward to, another thing you need to check. Like when you're spending, like, are you doing the right thing? Are you hurting your account? You know, are you spending wisely? Those are the kind of things you should check too. And yeah, I think I just have to like slow down a bit because nobody wants to be broke. Oh, nobody wants to be broke, not me. So I'm going to like slow down a bit and reduce the shoe quantities. The way I've been ordering shoes, the quantities of shoes I've ordered so far, just in two. It's not even up to 2 months. Just in I bought. Let me just say ending of April to this May, I've bought. Wait, let me see the new shoes I've bought here. One, two, three, four. Yeah, I've bought four shoes. Four shoes. There's even one that I've not even unboxed for you guys. I didn't really show you guys. One what's it called? Sandal heels too. I got from also Zara. Is it Zara or Primark? Okay, it's Primark, and I've not showed you guys that shoe. Hey God, I got it from Primark, and I'm here to show you guys. Yeah, so I need to like slow down a bit. Okay, slow down a bit. Okay, before I start crying, if I start telling you to send me money, send me money. Like, oh God, I just remember that what's it called? That TikTok sound. I remember how you cried like a baby. Oh yes, I cried like a baby. Please send me money, send me money. But guy, come! When you send me the money, was he on the Durex? Funke Akindele is a great actress. Like you can't take that away from her. Period. You can't take that away from her. Yeah. So guys, enough of the ranting. I'm even tired. Me, I'm just hungry. When I'm hungry, sometimes I don't even know what I'm saying. So I'll talk to you guys later. I beg. Hi guys. See who is in the kitchen doing her own cookathon. So I'm making stew today, and at the same time I'm making soup. This is ogbono soup. So I have to beat Hilda, okay? I have to be the next Guinness book. I mean, what do they call it? Guys, like I'm so proud of HILDA BACI, right? As in, I'm so proud of her. You know, I'm so proud of her. So guys, I'm cooking. That's what I'm doing this afternoon. I didn't go out today. It's Friday. No work, and also I didn't go out. So yeah, this is the weekend. So I'm going to use this weekend to like cook, and get ready for next week, because next week is going to be work. So I mean, I just have to. What am I going? Okay, let me drop this. Just have to get ready. Get ready for work, because if I start going out now for next week, going to work, there's no way I'm going to have this chance, except I just want to eat outside. So the best time is just weekend, like to prepare food. See the way this my water is drawing well, like drawing very well. Alright guys, yeah. Shout out to HILDA BACI. I'm so happy guys, I'm so happy. She did well.
Baby, take my hand. I want you to be